Standard 8 Maths Factorization of Algebraic Expressions Part 7. So students, last time we have seen the first two sums of practice set 6.4. Now actually the third sum, I'll just explain it orally to you. The third sum is 8x square minus, I'll show you the textbook. Yeah, now the third sum here is 8x cube minus 27y cube upon 4x square minus 9y square. Now here when it is cube, this will be in the form of a cube minus b cube. Why I'm doing this explanation, because these are the little bit difficult sums, that is which has a division sign and this with multiplication. So I want to do these sums. So I'll just explain. This will be in the form of a cube minus b cube upon a square minus b square. So you have to use the formula of a cube minus b cube and write the two expressions which come, and here also a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b, and then whatever there will be some cancellations, you have to cancel whole bracket together. Okay, here now there will be two brackets, here also there will be two brackets. So whenever you cancel, you should cancel the whole bracket together, not a single term. Remember that. Now this sum I will do the fourth sum and the fifth sum today, and this sum is again then similar to here. See, second sum, how we first found out the two factors of this whole expression, same way you will find out factors of these whole expression. Then this is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Again there will be cancellation, and you will get whole bracket you will cancel. So we'll do the fourth sum and the fifth sum now. This is the fourth sum, x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x plus 3 into x plus 8 multiplied by x square minus 64 upon x minus 8 the whole square. Now whichever is given this way, you are not going to touch it at all. Let it remain as it is. We are going to solve this numerator over here, this numerator and this denominator. This denominator will keep it as it is first, because it is going to be cancelled somehow. So whenever you do such sums, it should come to your mind immediately that something is going to get cancelled, so you are not going to multiply this. Now let us solve this. Factorize. We'll have to factorize because there are three terms. Now here this is in the form of a square minus b square. This is a minus b the whole square. But this is a big expression. It is a trinomial, and we will have to factorize it. So we'll factorize this. So x square minus 5x minus 24. Now what should be the multiplication? 24, and here it is 1. So multiplication is 24 and addition or subtraction is 5. Now what it should be? See here there is a minus. So one out of the two factors, one factor has to be a negative number and one will be a positive number. But the middle term is again having a minus sign. So out of the two numbers, the bigger number will have a minus sign. So whenever you look at such expression, immediately this all things you should come to know. That will happen only with practice. So you have to practice a lot. So multiplication 24 and subtraction is 5. Why subtraction? Because when we have two different signs, for two different numbers, when we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and give the sign of the bigger number. So now we'll have to find the factors of 24. That is, first is 1 into 24, 2 into 12. We have to check whether the subtraction will come 5. We don't have that. So 3 8s are, now 3 8s are 24. That is multiplication, and difference between 3 and 8 is 5. So these are our factors. Now how to take the signs? Now we know one should be negative and one will be positive. Which will be negative? Here there is a minus sign, so the bigger number, that is 8, will be negative. So this will be x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. This you can, as I told you before also, you can write plus 3x and then minus 8x. That you can interchange, doesn't matter, you're going to get the same thing. We'll now make two pairs. Now here what is common? X. We get x minus 8. Now here there is 3 common. We get x minus 8. This common thing and all, that is you can understand only if you know the tables. If you don't know the tables, this will be very difficult for you. So it will be x minus 8 into x plus 3. Okay, so this we have solved. This is our 1. Then 2 we already have, no need of solving. Let us go to the third one now. X square minus 64. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the, it is a minus b into a plus b. So we'll substitute. Now what is a over here? A is equal to x and b is equal to, now this is b square. So b is equal to 8. Don't write 64. Okay. So now our term will be, we'll substitute in this. So it will be x minus 8 into x plus 8. So this is our equation number 2 here. Now let us solve this third part. It is x minus 8 whole square. X minus 8 whole square. What is it form of? A minus b whole square. What is the expansion of a minus b whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a in here? X and b is equal to 8. A is equal to x, b is equal to 8. Now let us substitute. So here we will have x square minus 2 into x into 8 plus 8 square. So this will be x square, 8 2s are 16 minus 16x plus 64. Okay. So we have found out all the 3 equations which we want. Here we are not going to solve this. So let us now write it in this form with the help of all these equations. So equation number 1 we got as we got it as x minus 8 into x plus 3 upon, we already have here x plus 3 into x plus 8, which is, this is already given to us in this. Now multiplied by x square minus 64. What we got? X minus 8 into x plus 8, and upon x minus 8 whole square. What we got? X square minus 16x plus 64. Now just see, x plus 3 cancels, x plus 8 cancels. Now what is left here? X minus 8 into x minus 8, x minus 8 into x minus 8, and what we have down here, we are multiplying now. So x minus 8 into x minus 8 upon, here there is nothing, here there is only 1, here there is, what is left here? 1. So this is x square minus 16x plus 64. Now just see, we have got this from which equation? We got this from the equation x minus 8 whole square, x square minus 16x plus 64. So x minus 8 whole square means what? X minus 8 into x minus 8. So this part I can write it as, this is x minus 8 into x minus 8. This also I can write it as x minus 8 into x minus 8. Why? Because this is a x minus 8 whole square we got as x square minus 16x plus 64. So I can again write it as x minus 8 into x minus 8. Now both this will cancel. So our answer is, finally what is our answer? Answer is 1. So this sum, whole of this sum, what answer we got it as? 1. So here, instead of first for solving this, we can just write it as x minus 8 into x minus 8. That also, but we did not know that it is going to get cancelled. So no problem, we can first write it in this form, and again we had to change it to x minus 8 into x minus 8. So this is the sum number 4. Now let us go to the sum number 5. Now see the sum number 5. 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4. Now whenever you have such sum where there is a division sign, we cannot divide these terms. So we have to change this into multiplication. we cannot do the division like this. Okay, multiplication we have done in the earlier sum. This numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator we multiply, but division is not possible. So what we do, in place of division we change it to multiplication, but we just cannot change the sign. Okay, keeping all the numbers like that, I change the sign, the sum will be wrong. So when I change the sign, what will happen is the second term, this term will remain as it is. The second term, the numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become the numerator when I change this sign, because I will have to write its multiplicative inverse. We have studied about multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of any number is the same number goes to the denominator. Suppose I say 3, the multiplicative inverse of 3 will be 1 upon 3. If I say 1 upon 4, the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 4 will be only 4. Same way, the multiplicative inverse of 3x square minus 7x minus 6 will be 1 upon 3x square minus 7x minus 6. And the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon x square minus 4 will be only x square minus 4. So that we are writing the multiplicative inverse of both this. So I have to first write the sum as 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 multiplied by, now x square minus 4 will come up and 3x square minus 7x minus 6 will go down. First you have to do this first step. Now we will solve each of this equation. We'll solve this also, a square minus b square. So here we have to solve all the 4. Now take the first one, that is 3x square minus x minus 2. Now the multiplication should be how much? 3 into 2, that is 6, and minus 6. So one term will be minus and the subtraction is minus 1. Now here there is only x, but it is 1x, so it will be x. So we want to find the factors of 6 such that the difference is 1 and multiplication is 6. So 1 into 6 will not do, but 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 will do. Which number will have a minus sign in this? Here we have minus, so the bigger number, that is 3, will have a minus sign. So our expression will be 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. Minus 3x plus 2x will give us minus x, minus 3 into plus 2 will give you minus 6. Now we will comma. Now what is common here? 3x. What will remain? X from here, and minus, nothing is left here. 3x has gone out, so minus 1. Then again we take out 2 is common. We get x minus 1. So the answer is 3x plus 2 into x minus 1. That is our equation 1. Now let us go to this second one, x square minus 7x plus 12. X square minus 7x plus 12. A multiplication is 12, and again here, now see here, multiplication we have plus 12 and here we have minus 7. So here when we have plus, either both the numbers are plus or both the numbers are minus. If both the numbers are plus, here also we have to get a plus, but as here is minus, we come to know that the factors of both the factors should be minus. Now what are the factors of 12? 12 into 1, 2 into 6. 2 into 6 we don't get 7. 3 into 4. Now 4 we get 7. As minus 7, here both factors will be negative. Remember that. Why? Because minus 3 minus 4 we will get minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 4 we will get plus 12. Okay. This way when you have to analyze when you are writing the factors whether it is correct or not. So x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. So here x is common. We get x minus 3. Now here what is common? Minus 4. 4 3s are 12, that's why. Now whenever you have a minus sign here, the sign inside will change. So this will be x minus 3. So our factors are x minus 3 into x minus 4. This is our equation 2. Now we have to solve the third one. That is 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Here now what is the multiplication? 6 3s are 18. Now multiplication is minus and here also there is minus sign. So we come to know that there are the two terms, the bigger term will have a minus sign. So we'll have to find out the factors of 18, where the multiplication is 18 and subtraction is 7. So it will be 1 into 18, 2 into 9. Yeah, 2 into 9. Multiplication is 18 and 9 minus 2 will give us 7. So this is the other our factors. Which number will have a negative sign? The bigger number. Why? Because here there is a minus sign. So we will write here 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Again we will do the combination. What will be common over here? 3x. What will remain inside here? Only x is left, minus 3 is common, so here there is only 3 left. X is already out, and from here 3 is already out, so we get x minus 3. Plus 2 is common here also we get x minus 3. So our factors are x minus 3 into 3x plus 2. This is our equation 3. X minus 3 into 3x plus 2. Now we have to solve the last, that is x square minus 4 term. X square minus 4. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, and the answer to it is a plus b into a minus b. So when we substitute, what is a over here? X, and b is equal to 2. This is b square, so b is 2. When we substitute, we get x plus 2 into x minus 2. This is our fourth equation. Now we write all the first equation, second equation, third I have written, and this is the fourth. Okay, all the 4 equations I have written. We solved this 3x plus 2 into x minus 1 we got. Then second one we solved, third one and fourth one. Now we have written. We had already changed the sign. So we have to write the numbers which we have got after changing it to multiplication sign. That is the equation which we got, this equation. So we have to write, I think now here see, I made a mistake. After multiplication, x square minus 4 is here. So this is wrong. I have to write it as 3x plus 2 into x minus 1. That is the solution for 3x, solution for this. Okay, I want to see, you don't look at this first equation, you have to look at this second equation, right? Because after changing, so this part will come same. This part is coming same, x minus 3 into x minus 4. Only here this should come up, multiplied by x plus 2 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into 3x plus 2. So you have to be very careful. See, even I made a mistake. So when you are writing this equation, you have to write the equation for in this form, not this. Okay, because here we have interchanged. So after interchanging, what we get, that we have to write. Now let us find out what are common. As I told you, cancellation has to be done as a whole bracket. You cannot cancel x like that, so whole bracket will get cancelled. Now here 3x plus 2, do we have a 3x plus 2 in the denominator anywhere? Because there is a multiplication sign, we can cancel any of these terms with any of the denominator terms. Okay, so this 3x plus 2 we can cancel with this 3x plus 2. X minus 1, we don't have x minus 1 down. Then x plus 2, we have a x plus 2, we don't have. We have a x minus 2, we don't have an x minus 2 also. Only one common thing we have, x minus 3. Only one, only this was common. So our answer will be x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 3. Yes. So this is our answer. Now here only one got cancelled after solving all the sum, only one. Whereas in the earlier sum, what happened, when we solved the sum, only we got remainder as whatever left was 1. All got cancelled. Here only one got cancelled and all left are answers are remaining. So answer is this. Okay. So we have solved the practice set 6.4 sum number 4 and sum number 5. Now sum number 6 you will do on your own, and in the next part we will do the sum number 7 and 8. This is the part number, I think, of this chapter. It is the 7th part. So one more part we will do and then we will finish this chapter.